Some precipitation hitting our windshields here in the FM area over the last couple of hours. Very low clouds, gray, and all of it liquid so far. But as the radar would indicate, we are tracking flurries as the snow is exiting the Minot area, heading into northeast North Dakota. Reports of a few flakes flying, but as of yet, nothing accumulating. And that's going to be the case for most of us as temperatures teeter and totter right around that critical value there that will produce snow that makes its way all the way from the cloud base to the ground. We do have showers of rain in portions of western Minnesota this hour. Again, very gray weather. And this batch of heavy rain here, as it started out near Bemidji earlier, pushing off to the north and east, did produce some lightning strikes, a report of a thunder shower in Bemidji. Most likely flakes flying from Towner County into Cavalier County, Walhalla, Langdon, all the way towards and moving towards the Pembina area as we speak. This is the most likely area of flurry activity this evening, basically along and north of Highway 200. There's your gray skies. Your thermometer says 42. The dew point very close, so we don't have to cool our temperature very much to make a cloud, and that's what we see. Air at 42 on the ground. As we cool it as it goes up, we have some real low, gray, misty skies. Temperatures peaked, but take a look at what time this happened. If you were out walking the chicken this morning at just after midnight, it's 47 degrees in Fargo, and that was our high for the day. Look at the 61-degree reading in Detroit Lakes. That also happening in the midnight hour. The rest of the day has been spent right here in the 40s and even 30s, mid-30s Langdon and Devils Lake, 42 for you in Jamestown, and 45 this hour in Wadena with 43 in Fergus Falls. Winds gusty here and there across the region, up to 25 miles per hour or so, and a few of us have sustained winds over 20 miles per hour as well. Our hour-by-hour forecast shows that if you are going outdoors this evening, this rain chance will persist mainly north of Interstate 94. On the backside of the system where we have that cool pool of air, that will be the best chance of a few flakes mixing in. But as these north winds pull down drier Canadian air, it's going to really allow this system to scoot off to the east and replace it with some breaks in the clouds overnight. Rise and shine temperatures will be in the freezing 20s and low 30s for much of eastern North Dakota. Clouds will slow the warming, but only modestly so, more likely mid-30s for many in portions of central Minnesota. As we go through the day, we'll see a little sunshine. Wind will be breezy, but not as gusty, 10 to maybe as high as 20 miles per hour at times. Temperatures climb. We'll have a chance in the FM metro area getting close to 50, but I do believe for the second straight day we'll spend the majority of our afternoon in the 40s. Likewise, low 40s, all we can muster up to the north. By the evening hours, the wind becomes southerly, setting the stage for some better temperatures ahead after another very chilly morning. Temperatures tomorrow in the low 30s to start our day. A northwest persistent wind at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. A few gusts and peaking in the upper 40s late afternoon. Quick cooling tomorrow with clearing skies. We'll see 40s, low 40s in northeast North Dakota, and in Lakes Country, a lot of mid-40s out there with partly sunny skies for you. A great photo uploaded here. The trees mixing with clouds and sunshine. This is Pelican Rapids. Oh, a beautiful picture, Allie. Thanks for uploading. Planning forecast does show quieter weather, but a very chilly start to your Thursday morning. Cover up your tomatoes. 59, though, in the afternoon. Friday, quiet and 66 with increasing south winds. We'll have a chance of rain returning Saturday, as will the 60s, and that will feel pleasant.
Yes, it sure will compared to the last couple days.
Yeah, we know there's light at the end of the tunnel.
Yes, there is. Thank you, Hutch. A smartphone giant makes a decision that it hopes will end customers' headaches and put safety first. That's next.